Variant Standard, title Batana Oil Shampoo and Conditioner Review Script, ID 84726. Hey there, welcome to Beautyistic. If you've been struggling with thinning hair or battling breakage, you know how frustrating it can be to find a shampoo and conditioner that actually delivers results without harsh chemicals. I'm excited to explore the Batana Oil Shampoo and Conditioner set today, a sulfate-free duo designed to promote hair growth, thicken strands, and keep your scalp hydrated. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and click the bell so you never miss another honest beauty review. This set is enriched with Batana Oil and Argan Oil, ingredients known for their hair-nourishing and follicle-activating properties. It's formulated to deeply cleanse the scalp, stimulate dormant follicles, and support the growth of new hair. On top of that, it's infused with biotin and vitamin E to strengthen hair fibers and reduce breakage, perfect for those with damaged, color-treated, or naturally curly hair. Tea tree oil and aloe vera work together to repair and hydrate, balancing the scalp for a healthier environment. And the best part, the formula is natural, organic, sulfate-free, paraben-free, and cruelty-free, suitable for all hair types. Using this set in my routine, I found the shampoo lathers well without stripping moisture, leaving my scalp feeling clean but not dry. The conditioner has a silky texture that smooths frizz and detangles easily. Over a few weeks, I noticed my hair felt stronger and more resilient, with less breakage during styling. While growth results are subtle in the short term, the scalp feels nourished and balanced, which is essential for long-term hair health. One small note is that the fragrance may be a bit earthy for some, but it's natural and not overpowering. The pros: it's gentle yet effective, hydrates while cleansing, strengthens hair, and is safe for all hair types. It's a thoughtful formulation that balances repair and growth promotion. The cons: it's a smaller set at 6.8 fl per bottle, so you may need to restock more frequently if you have long or thick hair. In terms of value, the set sits at a moderate price point. Considering the organic, nutrient-rich ingredients and the benefits of reducing breakage while promoting hair health, it's reasonably priced, though those seeking rapid hair growth may need to pair it with additional treatments. Compared to other growth-focused shampoos, this one stands out for its dual focus on hydration and follicle stimulation without sulfates or parabens. The packaging feels sturdy and the bottles are easy to use, with a quality design that holds up well in a bathroom setting. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. And if you are itching to get it, the link is in the comments. I haven't had to interact with customer support, but Dr. Headly has a solid reputation for responsiveness and quality assurance, which gives me confidence in the brand. If you're looking for alternatives, a larger size or multi-pack from similar growth-focused brands might offer more convenience or a slightly lower price per ounce. But few match the clean, nourishing profile of Batana Oil combined with Argan Oil and Biotin. Overall, I'd recommend this set to anyone with thinning, fragile, or frizz-prone hair who wants a natural, gentle, and strengthening approach. It won't be an overnight miracle, but it lays a solid foundation for healthier, stronger hair. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out. Don't forget, the link to purchase is in the comments, and if you've tried this set, drop a comment below to share your experience. I'd love to hear your thoughts.